Hi everybody, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a really quick video to show you a personal shopping haul of some goodies I got from Country Craft Creations. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've got some fun stuff here to share with you real quick. What I got here is a pack of the pom-pom trim in the orange and the yellow because I'm going to add that into my little project I'm working on right now that I'll be sharing tomorrow or Friday. And then I also got some summary sequins and bits to do my shaker things that I like to do. So I've got this really pretty raspberry and ocean blue. These are gorgeous. They're very, very sparkly. Then I got some sequins that are in the sunshine yellow, very pretty. And then I got this container of the gold ones with brown called Not So Heavy Metal. I really like those. It's got stars in there. So that's a really pretty one. Always need magnets, so I got the one pack of large and one pack of small magnets. I love this brand of magnets. They're thin, nice and thin and work great on my projects. You probably already know that there's new Graphic 45 collections on Country Craft Creations. One is called Letters to Santa, and the other one is the Hello Pumpkin. So I'll explain what I've ordered and everything. I just ordered the for Letters to Santa. Let's see here. No, that's the wrong one. Okay, Letters to Santa. I only ordered the 1 8x8. I absolutely adore this Santa and this paper collection. And I ordered the Patterns and Solids pack and the 12x12 and the ephemera assortment. I didn't order the big 12x12 because I have separately ordered the kit that Tamara of Country Craft Creations is offering or has been offering for a December daily project that she's going to be doing. It's a smaller one with this collection. So I ordered that, and it's going to ship July the 28th to follow along on her tutorial on Facebook and YouTube and making that album. So I'll be using this in the 12x12. I also picked up the Ranger Tim Holtz Distress Ink in the tea dye because that's what she's going to be using with her kit, and I wanted to make sure I had some on hand, and I didn't have any of this color. So that's why I ordered this. This is for something else if I want to make something else, but I've already got the big one coming my way. Then this is new also. This is the Hello Pumpkin by Graphic 45. So I got the 12x12. I just love these images. I haven't ordered their collections much in the past few months or a year. But these two collections really, really were fabulous. So I did get the Patterns and Solids. I only got one of each because I have so much Graphic 45. And so I feel like if I do a project, that will be plenty because I also got the 8x8 and then, of course, the ephemera assortment. Then I needed some basic stuff. I am on the creative team for the new subscription box for Country Craft Creations and for virtual retreats. So I needed more supplies. The subscription box has just gone out to the designers so that we can start working on our projects. We get the exact same thing that you will be getting in your box, and I will do a separate video of that here in a few days to show you what I got. Other designers have already shown their boxes. They're all the same, but I'll kind of go over some details about what I'll be working with, and maybe by then I'll have decided which cardstock I'm going to be using because you do supply your own cardstock for most of the projects that collections that you get in that kit, and also your chipboard. So I have 2 packs of the natural because I love natural and 2 packs of the craft. So I will be deciding for sure what color I'll be using with my project that's going to be for that subscription box if you're a member of that. If you haven't, you need to check it out. Check out the videos that are already up for that. Just probably search on YouTube, Country Craft Creations, Seasons of Creativity subscription box or go to Scrapbookers or Country Craft Creations and find it there. There's several videos already up that can explain it, and I'll be doing my own, of course, in a few days. So I got the cardstock, and then I also got chipboard in the medium weight and the heavy weight because I do a lot of projects, and you do provide your own chipboard for most of the projects in that subscription box. So anyway, guys, that's what I've got for my shopping haul from Country Craft Creations. Some wonderful paper collection here from Graphic 45, some trim. This trim goes really well with this. Don't you think? I think that's really cool. That's pretty. And maybe a shaker with that. That would be very pretty. That right there. Yeah. Go check it out. Okay, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell so you know when my next video is up. And as always, shop at countrycraftcreations.com. I'll see you later. I'll have that share video in the next day or two. And also my design team project, another one for you for July. Bye, everybody. See you later.